One of the really neat things about NewsDepth is that we get to know a lot about your schools, your teachers, your classrooms, and when we're lucky, we even get to meet a lot of you in person. One thing that makes me really proud is when the NewsDepth team gets to be learning partners with our audience. This week's A+ award winners are the students at St. Benedicts for working to earn their Ohio STEM School designation and becoming great partners with us along the way. Over the past few months, students from St. Ben's visited us twice to learn all about the technology and science behind producing radio and television. During their time here at NewsDepth headquarters, they learned about how we use drones to get video and take pictures from above. They learned how to use our remote cameras, and they learned about the importance of light and sound in television and radio production. When they were here touring our studios, they even got to see the NewsDepth studio where I'm standing right now. A few of them even got to read off of our teleprompters, which are the devices we use to display the script of the show. You didn't think I memorized all of this news, did you? If you were wondering, an Ohio STEM School designation is a state-level honor for schools that provide instruction focused on science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and even the arts. Schools with this designation use project-based learning, community partnerships, and real-world applications to prepare students for future careers. You probably noticed that I also mentioned the arts. Well, after the students left our headquarters, they visited our neighbors here in the Playhouse Square Theater District of Cleveland to watch a show. Here's a big congratulations to the students at St. Benedict's for working towards their STEM designation and being great learning partners with us.